Alright, so this next dress is full Shun Stegall, I believe. If I say it right. If I say it wrong, my apologies. Um, I'll try to figure out next time, but my apologies, folks. So yeah, so Phil Shun Stegall, epic martial arts for the resound by another Tony Jacks, of course. So yeah, we take a look at more of the martial arts because I know for a fact that I haven't did this one for a while, and like I said, a little bit more martial arts if we could. We could try it just in case. So yeah, but let's check him out. In five, four, three, two. Okay. Nice. That was fantastic right there. I ain't gonna lie. He looks very. He's a very cool martial arts right there. I ain't gonna lie. I really wish we could see him on the first featured films. I hope, because that'd be so cool, man. That'd be very definitely so cool, man. But yeah, but let me know, comment down below what you think about Phil Sung Stegall. And shout out to Tony Jaa for doing an amazing job resounding the sound effects, man. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, man. Hopefully we'll see more of them for the new film. I hope that'd be so cool, man. But but yeah. So links to the original video. Well, yeah, links in the description for the original video in case you want to check it out. But yeah, so comment down below what you think about it, and I'll see y'all next time.